Okay, today we're here at the Orange County Fair, and I went to a booth called Candy Factory at the fair, and it's in the kids carnival area. So they have the Dubai chocolate strawberries. So this was actually $20, but that includes the tax. Okay. My napkins are flying away. So we tried to get this at the LA County Fair, and they kept running out of the, or not having the Dubai chocolate part. So we went like 3 times, and then the 4th time they did have it, but then we had phone problems and didn't record it. So this is our first time recording it. So it is strawberries. It's got the chocolate and the pistachio cream, and there's the Kataifi strings on it. Oh. Strawberries are really good. The chocolate and the pistachio cream actually makes it really nice tasting. They also have just regular chocolate strawberries, but I think if you're going to pay that much money, you might as well get the Dubai chocolate. Yeah, the chocolate's really good. So let's see. This one actually tastes really good. So I'm going to give this one an A. And so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.